Hello, are you struggling to solve a simultaneous equation? If yes, in this episode, I'll show you a very method to solve any simultaneous equation. Before that, could you please like, share, and then subscribe to this channel? That will help me a lot. Yeah, thanks so much. So what I'm going to do is I will show you, like I said, very fastest way to find out the value of x or y or a or b using a very basic example. Okay, here we have one example or exercise that will help me to find out, or that will help me to show you guys uh, fastest way to find out the value of x as well as y. So as you can see, this x plus y is equal to 19, as well as 2x plus 2x plus 3y is equal to 50, right? Now to find out the value of x and the y, normally we can use the substitution as well as the elimination method, right? That's what I'm going to use today. So now what you can do is, let's take this equation, okay? Let's take this equation. As you can see, this is a 2x plus 3x, right? So 2x means, as you know, that it is x plus x, right? Which is 2x, as well as this guy is y plus y, right? So meaning that y plus what? Y, right? That is basically exactly similar with this equation, which is equal to 50, okay? Now, what you can do is, like I said, this is 2x, then this is 3x, right? Now, I just want to just what I'm going to do is, now what you can do is, so basically, let's say x plus y is x plus y, and then plus x plus y plus y, okay? Meaning that this is exactly similar with this, right? X plus y plus x plus y plus y, right? That is, I just mix it up, so that's what I'm trying to show you guys. Then what you can do is equal to 50. Now, as you can see, this guy is over here, which is 19, right? Basically, it's a 19, and then this term is also is 19. 19 plus with what? Y is equal to with what? 50, right? Now, which is equal to, basically, this guy is what? 36, right? 36 plus y is equal to what? 50, right? Now, you can collect like term. So what you can do is y is equal to 50 minus what? 36, right? I mean, this guy is 38. I'm sorry about guys. This guy is 38. So this guy is 38 as well. It's not 36, okay? Now, when you subtract 38 from 50, you will like 8, I mean 12, right? So the value of y is equal to 12 or 1, 2. Now you can plug this guy over here in this equation. Let's say this is an equation, or equation 1, and then let's say this is an equation 2. So that you can plug this value in terms of y, okay? Now what I'm trying to say is, let me calculate over here. So x plus, you can see from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 1, 9, right? So meaning that when you plug this guy over here, you will get 1, 12 is equal, 1, 2 is equal to 1, 90, meaning that x is equal to what? 7, right? So the value of x is 7. If you replace the value of x and the y, you will definitely get 19. As well as if you replace in this equation, you will get uh, 50. So that is basically how to solve uh, any simultaneous equation without using any elimination as well as substitution method. Technically, we did use a substitution method, I mean term substitution, but yeah, I mean the way we are using is quite different that what we know. So yeah, like I said, that is all about this session. So let me know if you have any question in the comment section. I'm happy to reply to you guys. So like I said, could you please like, share, and then subscribe at this video. If you are in TikTok, you can like, share, as well as follow me. Yeah, that's all for today, and then have a good day. Enjoy your day. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.